Hey everyone, let me introduce you to the Cyril C200 modular motorcycle helmet. Remove the clear visor and you'll have a single visor full helmet. Move the switch to adjust the inner sun shield as needed. Here there are two switches to remove the chin to convert to the single visor 3/4 helmet mode. Put the clear visor back on for the double visor 3/4 helmet mode. As you can see, installing the chin is just as easy as removing it. CoolMax fabric is comfortable, breathable, and reduces heat. The quick release buckle design makes taking off the helmet a piece of cake. And there's even a Bluetooth headset slot so you can listen to your favorite music while riding.